How to fix Samsung TV stuck in demo mode. Go to the home screen and select the settings option. Now select the general option. Select the system manager option. Now choose usage mode. Enter your PIN. The default PIN is 0000. Now the mode to home mode. Go to the home screen and choose settings. Select support option. Scroll down and select use mode. Now select the home use mode and select done. On your Samsung TV remote, press the Tools button. Now scroll down and store Demo Off. Turn on your Samsung Smart TV. Now locate the button available on your Smart TV. Press Volume button. Once you see the volume indicator, press and hold the menu button for 15 to 20 seconds. Now you'll get a message on your screen saying Standard. This means that demo mode is now turned off on your Samsung TV. Open your Samsung TV settings. Go to General option. Now select Reset. Enter the default PIN 0000 if asked and select OK. Now select the System option. Select Setup option. Now select Start to initiate Samsung TV setup. Select your desired language. Now you'll be asked where are you using the TV. Select Home Use. Now select Next.